Hello everybody. This video today is more of a chat between you and I. I simply want to get your own points of view regarding a very key and important topic when it comes to football betting, which is football betting a skill or it is pure luck? I want to know what you think below in the comment section, because most often people are usually confused with the term football betting. Some see this as a pure skill which you need to study, analyze your games properly before you can get into winning manners. On the other hand, some of you see football betting as just luck. You get up, you pick your games, 10 to 15 games, 20 games, you put in some money and you expect magic or luck to happen so that you can cash out the huge amount you are expecting. I'm not against that, but in my own point of view, I see football betting as a skill, just like every other, even though at the base, this is still based on luck. But on your own side, what are you doing to position yourself at a level where the luck can locate you? How do I define luck on my own side? On my own side, I simply see luck as your own personal efforts to locate yourself at that level where luck can pick you up from. So if you are not doing anything, you just get up, you pick games at random, and you expect luck to locate you, then it will take time before the luck locates you, because others are doing analysis using AI tools, paying for subscriptions in order to get pure football analysis, so luck can easily locate them. So according to my own knowledge and point of view, football betting is a skill backed up by analysis and luck at a certain level. But overall, football betting is still based on luck. So let me know in the comment section, what do you think about this topic? Is football betting based on luck, or is a pure skill which everybody needs to learn?